Good morning. So we're in a very misty Cornwall this morning. If you look behind me, let's see if you can see that. This is St Michael's Mount. We're in Marazion. We're going to walk around the coast, first to Penzance, then through Newlyn and over to Mousehole. Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's have a look around Marazion first. Not sure if you can see it through the mist, but yeah, that's Penzance in the distance. So that sign says, Prince Charles later, Charles II is reputed to have spent the night of... Okay, so that's us done with the Marazion. We'll take a walk along the beach and we'll be up on the coast path now to Penzance. So just outside Marazion, the path follows the curve of the bay and moves away from the road. It's much nicer then. It's a busy path, we aren't getting the noise of cars all the time. You will now and again get the noise of the train. So I think it's about 3 miles from Marazion to Penzance, so about an hour's easy stroll. That's us, nearly back where we started in Penzance, by the station. End of the line, you can't go any further. I think we've got loads of time, we'll pop up into the town and have a look. And then push on to Newlyn. Well, it is Cornwall. What else am I going to have for lunch? Well, unfortunately, that's the famous Egyptian house, all covered in scaffolding, so I can't show you that. We've got the Jubilee pool, it looks open as well. Not very busy, but it is open. Pretty busy next week with half term in the schools. Nice straight walk to Newlyn now across the promenade. The sun is out a bit, it's actually getting quite warm. It's weird, even though the sun's out, it's not burning the mist away. You get less visibility now than there was a couple of hours ago. Yeah, Newlyn's over there somewhere. Be clearing up a bit now. Yeah, I don't know if you can make it out, but I can just about see Michael's Mount. I really hope you can see the colour of the sea as much as I can, yeah. It's so green when the sun hits it. So it's coming into Newlyn now. I think I'm right in saying that Newlyn is the biggest fishing fleet left in the UK. I think. So I don't know if you can see the end of the harbour. You got the lighthouse right at the end, and there's a hut just before that. That's the tidal observatory, and there's a marker in there from which sea level is measured from for the whole of the UK. So it starts from Newlyn Harbour. Okay, not far to go now. It's a quick detour of the path to see the way we came. You see Michael's Mount in Marazion. And through Penzance and Newlyn. Okay, so I suppose that means technically we're there, but there's still a good bit of the walk to go yet. So here we've got the old Penlee Lifeboat station. And I think it's one of my earliest memories, early 80s. There was a storm and the lifeboat was called out and it was lost, all hands lost. And you can't really imagine the impact of that in a small community like this. Okay, so there's the date, 19th of December 1981. I'll pop a link in the description if you want to read about it. I don't think I'll ever get tired of the harbour opening up like that. Let's go down. It's got a proper, perfect picture postcard type place. You watch your feet, there's ropes everywhere. yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day there. It's been a good walk. The weather improved drastically as we got past Newlyn, which is nice. It's very warm now. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for coming with me if you made it this far. I'm going to jump on a bus back to Penzance and then to my hotel for another Cornish walk tomorrow. Tomorrow for me, next week for you guys. Yeah, thank you very much. If you like what you see and you want to see more, like and subscribe. Catch you later.